Book of Heaven, Volume 11, April 1st, 1916. What stripping is required of the soul so that her heartbeat may be one with that of Jesus? This morning, my sweet Jesus made himself seen within my heart, and his heartbeat was beating in mine. I looked at him and he told me,
"My daughter, for one who really loves me and does my will in everything, her heartbeat and mine become one. So I call them my heartbeats, and as such, I want them around and even inside the heartbeat of my heart, all intent on consoling me and sweetening all my sorrowful heartbeats. Her heartbeat and mine will form a sweet harmony, which will repeat my whole life for me and will speak to me of souls, forcing me to save them. But my daughter, what stripping is required to be the echo of my heartbeat? It must be a life more of heaven than of earth, more divine than human. Even one shadow, one little thing, is enough to prevent the soul from feeling the strength, the harmonies, the sanctity of my heartbeat. And so she does not echo my heartbeat, she does not harmonize together with me, and I am forced to remain alone in my sorrow or in my joys. And these sorrows I receive from souls who knows how much they had promised me, but at the occasions I was left disappointed by their promises.